Welcome back. I'm really excited to use a couple of new tools today. My Stylist round brush. These come in 3 different sizes. They're so great. They have a long handle with a matte finish. It has a ball bristle brush and also a nylon bristle to detangle as it brushes through. I'm going to put a little bit of high altitude in there. Fantastic root lift, and it also gives texture. It's great for men's hair as well. Stylist high altitude. Today I'm using the Platform matte finish white FHI heat dryer. Has a cool, warm, high setting, also a low and high, and it also has a cool button here, so you can change the heat. See how easy that blows through the hair? It has great control, this brush. So I could just do this if I wanted to get a really nice flip. Okay, so now you've dried that product in the hair, and your hair looks really great. Now I want to show you the Platform half-inch styler. It's a tiny little styler, but it also gets right in at the roots. It's got the tourmaline blades, so that protects the hair. It's nice and tight, it's got good control, so I can twist it. I'm gonna make some curls with this. It goes from 140 to 450 in 18 seconds. Now what I'm gonna do is do a little bit of a tight curl with a flat iron. So I'm gonna take tiny sections. You only wanna take sections as small as your flat iron. So if it's only half an inch, only take a half an inch section. Here I'm gonna section up the hair. You have a lot of control with this small flat iron. So here, we bring the top section down, and we're gonna go in here, get right in at the roots, and wrap it and drag it. Around the front here, these are important, so drag them forward. Fantastic, isn't that a cool tool? I love it. So now you've got your hair all curled. What are you gonna do with it? I want it a bit loose, so today I'm using Stay Finish. Then I'm gonna get my blue unbrush, and I'm just gonna brush that out and literally unbrush the hair. And look at that really great curl with great texture, great body. It's a really modern day texture. Well, I hope you were inspired. I can't wait to do a real mannequin, a real person. I look forward to you coming back. Okay guys, like this video and share down below, okay?